Hi, everyone. Just coming on really quickly to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Not sure if I'm going to be back before the New Year, so I just wanted to pop up something and just show you all what I have created. Now, these cards were inspired by a picture that I will show you right about now. All right. And then, anyways, I was inspired by that blue. So I wanted to create something with a dark blue. And what I am going to do, I should say, is tell you where I got everything. I just wanted a quick video. So this background stamp here came from Pink by Design, which is an older company, but she's out of business now. Um, you can pick up everything else. Let's see, CC Designs here. This little die here with this faux stitching, that was Honeybee Stamps. Um, I snipped this from a Sizzix die that I had. I just made it a little shorter. My Creative Time, Jaded Blossom, and I think that's about it. So that's how both of those look. I thought they were gorgeous. And then I'm also going to use this for a Saturday morning makes because, hey, Christmas is on a Saturday. Why not post for Saturday morning makes? So that's what I have for you. If you like some of those products, just head over to those companies and pick those up. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Happy holidays to you and safe travels wherever you're at, wherever you're going. Have a blessed day.